Good morning, and it became Thursday. So today I am going to do 3 different kinds of smoothies. All of them super healthy, super nutritious, and super delicious. So today I'm going to start with 1 banana, 3 fresh medjool dates. I'm going to be using a combination of ice cubes and frozen grapes. 1 large tablespoon of organic blueberry powder, a teaspoon of organic wild blueberry powder, a teaspoon of Moringa powder, a teaspoon of barley grass juice, a teaspoon of pure Hawaiian spirulina, 250 milliliters of raw coconut water. Delicious. So smoothie number 2 is especially for all you chocolate loving people like myself. Adore it. Not a single day goes by in my life where I don't eat chocolate. Organic raw cacao powder, which is another of life's incredible superfoods. Banana. Now this one you might think, is that a good banana? I tell you it is a really good banana. We will be using 3 medjool dates, again without the pip. This is the peanut butter that we made a few days ago. I'm going to be using a generous spoonful of peanut butter, a big handful of ice cubes, organic coconut milk. Oh, this reminds me of being in Palm Beach, which was the first time I tasted something similar to this. And I've got to say, it is like dessert in a cup. Heaven. So the last smoothie of the day is a very berry smoothie. This is a great little juice press from the wonderful IKEA. Don't we love IKEA? 250 grams of frozen berries. So this bag is 500 grams, so I'm simply just going to take half. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of oats, 1 tablespoon of almond nut butter, 1 tablespoon of raw honey. I'm going to be using 200 ml of organic almond milk and a good handful of ice cubes. Another dessert. So here we have them, 3 incredibly different but very, very delicious smoothies. Hopefully a good flavor for each and every one of you and your children. Sending you through all these flavors and really hope you enjoy making them. See you soon.